How do you get started with the U.S. citizenship process? Well, naturalization requires you to file Form N-400 to apply for citizenship. There's requirements you have to satisfy beforehand. For example, you have to have been a green card holder for at least 5 years or 3 years if you've been married and living with a U.S. citizen. There are exceptions to make this faster. For example, if you're in the military, you're a spouse of a military person, or you're a spouse of a person who's going to go work overseas in certain companies, stuff like that. But those are exceptions. The government filing fee, if you're filing the case online through the online system, is $710. If you're filing by paper, is $760. There are fee waivers for it and exemptions like that, but we're not going to go into that right here. But the next question that usually comes up is, do you need a lawyer to do this? It's not a requirement, it's not mandatory to have a lawyer help you through this process. It's recommended for a lot of people because they make mistakes that can be problematic later. But I recommend downloading our guide at jqqlaw.com/citizenship and going over all the different problems I can imagine come up that are there. And if these are problematic, definitely consult with an attorney. But I'd probably recommend having consultations with a few attorneys to go over your history in detail. And then if there's red flags or issues they spot, they'd say it. And if you talk with a couple of different attorneys, now you see who knows what to talk about, who doesn't, who catches stuff that other people don't, and it gives you more comfort in hiring the person who you're going to hire. But again, download the guide first, jqqlaw.com/citizenship.